What's up everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here, glad to see you again. It's 2019. I wish you all a very happy new year, and I'd like to also make a warm welcome to all the new subscribers that have subscribed lately. I really appreciate it very much. It's very heartwarming. Thank you so much for showing your appreciation. I'm sure you won't regret doing that. So yeah, what do we have in store for 2019? Well, there's going to be a lot of V8 goodness, I can tell you that. I'm driving around right now in my BMW E34, which has the M60 B30 engine, which is a pretty cool lump. And I had to change the timing chains on it, among other interesting things. So stay tuned for that. If you own a BMW with an M60 engine, you'll definitely find that interesting. I will also be working quite a lot on my Land Rover as well. Well, I'll try to find some time to do that, because obviously I have to focus on making a living. That's the way, you know, the world goes these days. So yeah, I'll definitely find some time to mess around with the Land Rover. That one has the 3.5 V8, so there's going to be some engine interventions with that. There's going to be a lot of welding as well. So many Land Rover discoveries do have that rust issue. You know, it's sort of like a built-in feature, I guess. They rust after a certain amount of time. Anyway, so there's going to be a lot of that, and some other V8 surprises that I'm just going to keep for myself right now. But I'm sure you're definitely going to like these if you're into some American muscle. I shall say no more. So, all in all, thanks again for watching, and make sure you drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll be catching you all in the next video. See you around, guys.